Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this one we're looking at a preview of the MSI PS42 laptop. Now as a quick note, this is actually an engineering sample and it's not a final version. So this one I'm going to give you an idea of what specs are going to be in it, as well as the kind of connectivity that it offers and some of the features. Now if you're looking for a full review, this won't be the video for you, so I'd recommend going and check out another one now, because there may be some people that come onto this video looking for a review and then say, oh, why didn't you cover this, this and this? So just bear in mind this will be just an overview and looking at the features, but please let me know if you do want to see a full review of this and I'll talk with MSI and see what we can arrange. So let's go with some of the key specs that are going to be on this laptop. So it's going to be available with an i5 or an i7 processor, and that's paired with a GeForce MX150 GPU, which will actually allow you to play some games pretty smoothly. It's using a 50 watt-hour lithium polymer battery, which gives you up to 10 hours of battery life. Has a 14-inch Full HD IPS screen that has a thin 5.7mm bezel, and that's all contained in a nice aluminium chassis, and it only weighs 1.19 kilograms. So let's have a little overview around the laptop, and I think we'll start at the screen, as obviously that's going to be the main focal point for the laptop. You have got a built-in webcam that's only a 30 frames a second 720p camera though, but it should do you just good enough if you wanted to make an occasional Skype call. Okay, now looking at the screen, it has got a matte screen, which is really good, especially if you're a creator and you're going to be doing things, maybe commuting and editing and things like that, then this is going to be great, because obviously reflections are going to be a pain if it has a glass or a glossy screen, so the matte is definitely coming handy there. It does come with the option to have true color technology, which gets you a very close to 100% sRGB, so anyone that's doing photo or video editing that wants to get color especially on point, then again, another benefit for you here. This is a really great creator's laptop. You've got a nice big touchpad on the laptop, and that's also got in a built-in fingerprint reader. Obviously the keyboard layouts will be different depending on what region you're from, and it does feel very comfortable and it's very nice to use. And here's a little sound sample for anyone that's wondering how it sounds. It's got a nice speaker grille design that's using two 2-watt speakers. They give off a good passable sound. Obviously don't expect anything mind-blowing, but it will suit for the majority of tasks that you expect to do on a laptop. Now in terms of ports, on the left hand side we've got our power in, a HDMI that supports up to 4K at 30Hz, USB-C port, that's USB 3.1 Gen 2, and nice to see a 3.5mm headphone jack. On the right hand side we've got a Kensington lock, a SD card slot which is essential for all creators, another USB-C port, again 3.1 Gen 2, then two USB Type A's, and they're 3.1 Gen 1. So all in all, it packs a lot of power into a very small machine. For me personally, having such an amount of power in such a light, small form factor was the kind of main benefit that I found. Also the nice matte screen with the close to 100% sRGB is a really great benefit for me, being a video creator that always color corrects. Let me know if you like these kind of videos. We might do more of them on the channel. Obviously it's a quick preview, and I did say this is a engineering sample, so if you do want to see a full review, let me know and I'll see what I can do. But as for now, thank you for watching this little preview. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.